Hello everyone! Have you ever been to Black Sand Beach in Iceland? In this video, I would like to share some useful information. It is about 180 kilometers from capital city of Iceland. It takes about 2 to 3 hours by car depending on road condition. You can also choose bus operated by tour company. Always check the weather and warning light before stepping out, especially in winter. If you see green, it is safe. Yellow, you have to be a bit careful, and red means very dangerous. The beach is very well known for its powerful and unpredictable sneaker waves, which can be extremely dangerous. If you have seen Game of Thrones, I'm sure you would definitely remember this beach. The cliffs around here are home to puffins, especially in summer. The beach sand comes from cool lava from ancient volcano. If you are in the capital city of Iceland, don't miss this beautiful beach, which is very near.